Hi, I'm Aisling from Beaut, and today I'm going to show you how to do a really quick brow tutorial using Brow Density from Lancome and Brow Definer from Bobbi Brown. The first thing I'm going to do is use thread just to give me a straight line from the bottom of the brow up to the arch. So if I use this and just imprint it into the brow, it just gives me a lovely line that I can use. Next, I'm going to take the perfectly defined long wear brow pencil and I'm going to follow that line up to the arch. It's always important that the body of the brow is 2/3 and the tail of the brow is 1/3. Holding the pencil really close to her face, I'm just going to bring that down and then I'm just going to join up the bottom to the tail and colour in that area. Now I'm going to use Brow Densify from Lancome. So I want to start at the bottom of the eyebrow and I'm going to colour that in. And once I've applied that to the bottom of the brow, I'm going to go in with my slanted brush and work that product upwards. Now I'm going to go in with a camouflage concealer. So a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply it underneath the brow bone. And I'm just going to pull it downwards towards your crease and just use your finger to pat it in just to get a really nice kind of softer effect. And you can also apply that to 1/3 of the outer eyebrow as well, so just to the arch. So again, not at the beginning, but at the arch I can apply a little bit just to clean up my line there. And I will pat that down. So there you have it, a really gorgeous, simple brow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you next time.